All right, everybody. Today we're going to be continuing our discussion of triangles, working with some more angles. And we're going to be talking about the exterior angle theorem here. And the exterior angle theorem is talking about these angles that are on the outside, the exterior of the triangle. Now, in problem number 1, you could figure out this angle out here, the question mark, or angle RUT would be another way to name that angle. By 1, you might have looked at this and said, well, that's 70 and that's 24. And if I add those together, I get 94. And if I subtract 94 from 180, I can find this angle, which is 86 degrees. And then I know that 86 and then this angle over here, angle RUT, if I add those together, they are supplementary. They are a linear pair. These two would equal 180. So 180 minus the 86 would give me 94. So the measure of angle RUT would be 94 degrees. And that's all well and good when you're given angles. Now, if you look down here at my other example, example number 3, you'll notice that we don't have any numbers. We only have kind of expressions in one number. So it's going to be really hard to find this exact angle. So we're going to use the exterior angle theorem. And the exterior angle theorem works like this. We just found that this angle is 94 degrees. And if you notice, that's the same as if you add these two interior angles that are on the opposite side away from your exterior angle. So 70 plus 24 is 94. That's exactly how the exterior angle theorem works. So for instance, if we came over here, and I'm going to rename this question mark as angle A, I know that this angle, angle A, plus this angle, angle A, plus 48 degrees, is going to equal this angle out here, 109 degrees. And now I can solve that equation. Subtract 48 minus 48. Angle A equals, looks like that's 61 degrees. All right. Double check here. Yep, 61 degrees. So that means this angle right here is 61 degrees. These two angles added together gives you the exterior angle. Now, if you were looking at 109 minus 81, this angle right here would be 71 degrees. Now, if you added these three on the inside together, they're 180 degrees. But the exterior angle theorem is the exterior angle, the one on the outside, is going to equal the two opposite angles put together. So now we get down here. Now remember, we want to know what angle SDE is. What is the measure of this angle here? But before we can do that, we have to find out what X is. So to find out what X is, we're going to use the exterior angle theorem because we have an exterior angle here, and we have these two information on the two opposite angles on the inside of the triangle. So 9x plus 10 is going to equal 70 plus 2x plus 10. And then I'm going to do 9x plus 10 equals 2x plus 80 minus 2x. 7x plus 10 equals 80 minus 10. 7x equals 70. Divide by 7, x equals 10. So we've found out that x equals 10, and on some of your homework problems you'll be asked to solve for x, so you would be done here. But in this problem we're asked to find the measure of angle SDE. SDE is this angle out here. So the measure of angle SDE will be 9 times 10 because that's x plus 10. 9 times 10 is 90 plus 10 is 100. So the measure of angle SDE equals 100 degrees. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there is the exterior angle theorem. So go ahead and jump in and do your homework.